Hey guys, Tom here, and I'm gonna PvP this guy called Bailey today. I think we should get it started. I don't know how good he is. I just hope he's not a hacker again. I hate them. Probably everyone does. So we're gonna hit it off. Let's go. He's not bad. He probably has god apples, so I'm probably gonna get right too. I don't know though. So not. He's not that good. People on this, it's Semexi again. People on this server aren't that good. He has normal god apples. Okay, he's gonna die. It's over. So I guess it's actually gonna be a fair fight. Once. It's not gonna be one of these unfair ones that 5v1 or god apples because they're really annoying. Is he running or is he out of soup or something? I don't know. He's kind of a decent opponent. He's probably one of the best auto zombies here. Is he running, trying to resupe or something? I don't know. Okay, he's down. I need a golden apple. Try to get that soup out. Okay, I got a bit wrecked then for a second. I'm probably gonna win now. Just wait till he stops so he's resupping. No, he's not. I don't think he has time to resupp. I think he's killing that zombie for me. He's getting quick. I think I'm gonna win this one for once. I ain't gonna lose. Sorry, I don't talk as much as some YouTubers because I can't really talk every second. I'm not used to it yet. I'm quite new, fairly new. He's running. Just don't jump when you're on fire. It doesn't really help. He's gonna resup soon. I think I'm gonna drop my soup also. Get a bit of a faster advantage. Maybe try hit him. I don't know. He's probably gonna log out soon. Oh no. He's just eating. Oh, he's still running. I'm gonna quickly get some soup in. Get some soup and stuff. Hit him a bit. Whack him around. Knock him a bit. Yeah, he's running again. If I wasn't on fire, I wish. See, if you jump, it kind of knocks you back. It's a bit harder. I don't know really what he was doing. He wanted to PvP me. I thought he was gonna try actually PvP, not just run. Anyway, I don't really mind. It's PvP in the end. Yeah, I hit him. It's done. It's over. I'm not on the fight. Yeah, he's gonna try fight back. Oh, he's about to go into the water. Easy. I don't really want to go again. Bye, like, comment, and subscribe. I'm Tom3H on the server. I'll put the server IP in the description. See ya.